Alright, welcome back my Kenyan viewers. So now get your Airtel SIM card. I'm going to be showing you how to set up the unlimited APN settings. So these settings were previously working in Uganda, but these guys at Airtel, they changed they upgraded their systems, and now it's shifted to your country. Now it's your time to enjoy. I'm going to be exposing these APN settings. So don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share this video to your friend. So let me start up the tutorial. Go to your settings and open your phone in settings. This is what you're going to set. Look for wireless and networks right here, and look for where you set from the APN settings, that is mobile network. Then you're going to go where you have the access point names on your Airtel SIM card. This is Airtel, and then you're going to go where we have the new APN and then add a new APN. The APN name, in Uganda we are using Mouse-Tech. That will be your APN name. And then the IMS, the APN will be IMS in capital letters. And then the proxy, you're going to use the proxy, this one. Hope you are seeing the proxy 10.5.27.80. Then the port, you're going to be using 8080. And then after, don't set the username, don't set the password, but don't set the server must be set to https :/ then www.google.com, and then after press OK. The MSC, leave it as it is, and the MMS proxy, leave it as it is. The MMS port, set only that one, and then after you save your APN settings, and then after come right here and then enable your APN settings, and then you go to your phone's settings where we have advanced options or system, then about phone. We are looking for the IP address. We have different phones with different models, but look for ways of going into your advanced settings and go where you have status, and then see the IP address. The IP address must start with either 10.178, 10.177, 10.168. If it is not that one, but before continuing in your country, the problem is you must first buy a data bundle of at least 50 Kenyan shillings, that is 30 MBs, right? Hope I'm right. You must first buy a data bundle of at least 50 Kenyan shillings. If you buy that data bundle, then you're going to switch off your phone and then switch it on your phone again, right? And then come where you have the IP address. Hope we are communicating. If the IP address is not 10.168 or 10.178 or 10.177, download an application from Google Play Store. It will be called, let us search that application, it is Maya. Only if your IP address is not like that, Maya Tan, no, it is Maya Tan. Me already downloaded it in my device. It is this one. Hope you are seeing this one application, this one. After Maya Tan Pro, after, let me go back to the dashboard. We are going to go right. Don't panic. All of you are going to get. You're going to go right here where we have those flashes, and then after look for mobile IP hunter right here. Press these IP addresses as I have pressed them. Remove the last one and then put 10.177. This IP address of 10.177, sometimes it doesn't work, so I recommend you guys to remove it, but for a moment leave it because it may work, but this one sometimes it may fail to work. Then press the search button, and then it will search until it reaches the right IP address. Give it like 30 minutes to 1 hour. It will get you a right IP address that will be connecting to Airtel in your country. Subscribe. I sign out.